Good morning, Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, I'll be making a stuffing sausage casserole. This recipe is great to use with all your leftover Thanksgiving food. This breakfast item was a hit when I used to work at Mother's in New Orleans. The recipe and links to all the products you see me use here will be in the description below. Do us a huge favor, click that like button, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Enjoy the views here in Tampa, Florida. We are at Key Lime Resort.
Are you ready to cook?
I am so ready to cook. Let's make this breakfast casserole. Wow.